Hello and welcome. Today I will talk about the LEGO Technic Set 8448, Street Sensation. In my opinion is one of the best Technic sets ever made, even better than Lamborghini Sian or the Porsche 911 GT3 RS. This has an interesting story. It was borrowed by a new coworker, and guess what? He likes LEGO too. I asked him to let me take care of this gem and he make my day. The set was assembled and, of course, it had some dust, so I carefully wash it, dry it and assembled it. This set is over than 20 years old and is in great shape. I was surprised with quality of the box and with all the information it contains. Unfortunately nothing like the boxes of today's sets. I was also surprised by the quality of the instructions and instruction images. The set was a lot of fun to build with a good level of complexity, but nothing to worry about. The instructions are divided into two books. The first allows you to build the chassis, that is the base of all models. Yes, we have A, B, A, C, D, E, F, and so on alternative models and instructions, and you use all the bags, in this set are boxes, from 1 to 6. The second book allows you to build the bodywork for all the models available and you use the box 7 and 8. I love this kind of bodywork, much more open than the new ones, and I think that Technic sets should be open, so we can see all the mechanic details. In this amazing build, you accomplish that, undoubtedly. The rims, what can I say about them? They are beautiful and unique. What more could we want? The engine pieces are transparent. Love it. The icing on the cake, it has a 4-speed gearbox, plus reverse gear, amazing. All the parts are bid separately, and you can see them working without the main model. I don't understand why LEGO don't do models like this anymore. Don't get me wrong, the actual models are great, and LEGO is doing great, so they know what they are doing, but I miss this kind of build and this kind of experience. Tell me what you think about this subject. I fell in love with this set and I confess, I miss it a lot. I hope you enjoy the footage.